Today we're reviewing the Topps baseball cards, official 1987 complete set. So Don Mattingly is the main card here, shown on the front, that you're looking for, but it's a complete set, so it comes. Nice cards overall. You can really tell the difference between, here, let me just pull one card out, these cards and the newer cards. They don't have those shine and stuff like that, and it's, you know, pretty basic stuff. Kind of almost looks like it's hand painted, but the picture quality came out really nice on these cards, so that's pretty cool. But if you're a big baseball fan and you wanted to specifically collect this set, that might be good because it has all the cards you could need. And so yeah, that's pretty much it to this official complete set. 792 cards come with it. This is the box, and yeah, there you have it. There is the set.